Alright, so I'm going to show y'all a trick. I feel like magic. So, we have the shifter linkages on Toyota Matrix. Various other cars have shifter linkages like these. You can see right there. These are the things that wiggle your transmission and put it in certain gears whenever you decide to. This is our oblong, wore out brass fitting that just rolls around on that pin. That's our forward backward, I think. I'm pretty sure it's the forward backward motion pin. Nonetheless, here's how you fix that. Pull that off, grab you a piece of sandpaper, sand around, all around that thing, get all the dirt and crud off of it. Pull your bushing out of the end link. This one was moving like this far and was popping out of gear in fifth. So if you're having a popping out of gear in fifth issue, this is your fix. You want to know how to fix it? You go get you a skateboard or a set of inline skates or roller skates and get you an ABEC bearing race out of there. Once you get your bearing, well, I'll show you. It fits right in here perfectly. Boop. Ta-da! So then, you would take and slide your bearing onto the shaft. Ta-da! Snug fit. Make sure you got a washer on both sides. Put your cotter pin back in. Bam! Magic is applied to the wonderful world of you got to spend $500 to get that little garbage bushing from Toyota. So you don't have to do it anymore. Happy day.